Alright, we're gonna test out the modified Amp Crush. Let's go. Alright, Justin Jr. is gonna try out his now rebuilt and fixed Amp Crush RC. Let's go. Alright, buddy. Go for it. Run it.
I was just testing it out.
Up is reverse. Go. Fly. This thing's got juice. Go. Run it. Keep going. Good run. All the way past us. Go. It's a beast. From all the way down the street. It's smoking. Come all the way by. It's no stopping. Pass us up. Pass us up. Yeah. Off-road action. Thing's got massive power. It runs. Yeah, it's the real deal. It's a nice RC for sure.
Ooh, Dad, I'm about to turn. Dad, I made the turn.
All right, bring it back. All the way past us. See if you can drive it like a master. What do you think, Justin? This is the real deal? Let's go. All right,
3,
go.
2.
All the way down the street. Here it comes, full speed. All the way past you. Good job, buddy. Oh, you rolled it, yeah. It's got power, torque. So nice truck, big, roughly 6-inch tires, nice throttle, nice response, good action, rugged truck. Yep. Go.
All the way down the street. And stop.
That's all the way down at the house at the end. Can you drive it back from there?
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's just coming ahead.
Here it comes, full speed. Full speed. Yeah, talk about range. Oh, watch the car, bring it back. Got oncoming traffic. All the way back through the mud. Boom. Hey, Justin, how do you rank your Amp Crush? You like it? Let's charge it up and go again, all right?
I want to test it one more. I want to drive it one more time.
All right, traffic looks good. Go. Wow, that's way out there. Can you bring it back from there? Holy cow, that's far. Steering master. Bring it straight by us. Traffic's good. That thing has got speed, man. So we'll take a quick look inside. So lift the top off. Lithium battery. Four-wheel suspension shocks. Cat loves it. We're gonna charge this bad boy up and get ready to go again.